my friends, little bit of disturbance was there, sound. So if sometimes background sounds we cannot control, so you can keep your, please put your mic on mute unless until you want to say something, because otherwise others may get disturbed. So please do that, and keep your video on so that we can also talk to you by seeing you. So and yeah, so I think we'll get started, right? So let me just share my presentation. Yeah. So today's okay. Before that, let me tell you today's session is on buying medicines online. So a lot of online pharmacies have now come up. The various names are there. Pharmacy is there. One MG is there. NetMed is there, etc., etc. So many are there. There are more also, but I'm not able to remember. And it's convenient. It's convenient. Let me tell you one thing. I share my own experience with you. So before I started using this, I normally take some medication for diabetes and things like that. So before I started this, after all, medicines are medicines. We cannot take lightly. We cannot take lightly. If you take the wrong medicine or suppose expired medicine or something like that, then there can be a lot of trouble. So before I started for the first time around a year and a half back, I talked to my diabetologist. I told him that, see, we are getting good discounts. So is there any problem? Do you think any problem? He said, there's no problem. So this I'm sharing for you also in case you have not consulted your doctor. He said, there is no problem as long as it's not a very, very niche medicine. If it's a very niche medicine, something very specialized and all, then better to avoid. Better to avoid. This is what his opinion was, and I follow that. So with the grace of God, I don't require such medicine yet. So I'm ordering from them very regularly. So only it takes.
But are they giving a discount?
Yeah, I'll talk about it. Yeah, okay. They give almost 20% discount and even more than that. So whereas most chemists give not more than 10%. Okay. So yeah, so it takes, only thing you have to plan a little bit, because there's a lead time of 4 to 5 days. One, after you order, 4 or 5 days is required. But you can always, regular medicines you can always get. Right. So, okay. So some of these points we will discuss as we go along also, like discount, all that. This is actually one of the reasons why, if you ask me, I shifted, because it's attractive. No, you get a 20% discount, plus they give you some, what is that called? In your wallet also, they'll put some amount which you can use for further. It makes sense. It makes sense. And as long as the medicines are okay, so how does it matter? It's good, no? And especially during the COVID time, when we could not go out much and, we were more restricted at home. It was very, 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 very useful, I will say, rather than going to a chemist outside. So let me share my presentation. What I'm going to do, so in any presentation, any online shopping or online e-commerce, when we do, there will be basically four stages. We will cover all. There will be first registration, then actually doing the ordering. In the case of medicines, you have to also upload prescriptions. So I will show you how to upload prescription also, and you have to make payment and then track it. And then at the end of the thing, by 3 o'clock, when the session comes, we will get the medicine in our hand also. So, and so that is, we'll be doing the whole thing. Okay. So I'll be moving like that. And as I always do, I'll be taking you through screenshots. I'll not take you live, because I don't want to order medicine right now. I got enough. Huh? I don't want to simply order and then return and all that. We don't want to do that. So, but I kept it a series of screenshots. I think I have been taking these through screenshots just at this point of time, since many of you have attended some of my classes or sessions. I will say not classes, sessions, or we have interacted. Do you find this modus operandi okay? Going through screenshots, is it okay with you all?
Yeah, it's okay.
The strategy is okay, na?
Because
Anybody else?
You put that pointers also, na? So it looks.
Yeah, I put that. Yeah. Huh? Okay, so thank you very much for because otherwise it becomes a little problem. If you do it live, no, it can become little problem. Network chala jayega or something. It can be a problem. So it is better to do like this. And as I say, you can go backwards also. So let's get started. So let me just load my presentation. It's in 4 parts. So I'll just load the first part first. So everybody can see my presentation, right? Buying medicine online. Just give me a thumbs up or something.
Yes.
Everybody hear me clearly also, no?
Yeah.
And everybody can see get set up also, no? There.
Yes.
Background. Mirror images. So if I move left, it goes right. So gadbad hota hai. Okay, right? So let's get started, right? So I've used NetMed. NetMed. I'm quite satisfied with the services. I got nothing to do with NetMed, buying, selling, or anything like that. Since I buy from there, it's a live case, so I'm doing it. You can do the same thing from 1mg, Pharmacy, and there are others also. I don't know. maybe you can tell me. And there are others. I know I'm not able to recollect the names. 1 minute. Let me just get the names of the participants here, so I can see also the participants. Yeah. Pura participants ka screen pura ho gaya. Okay. So right. So this is what we are going to do. I told you, install the app and register yourself, etc., etc. You will be doing that. So now this is the prescription. Can you see the prescription, everybody? You can see the prescription. No? This is a prescription by a doctor. So we are going to order these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 medicines. We are going to order, and actually they have been ordered. So whatever, these are all basically diabetes and blood pressure medicines. So I am going to order all these, right? And actually we will be selecting this and seeing the strengths and all, because you know, some 100 mg, 200 mg, 150 mg, all of that. So you have to be very careful. See, you have to be a little careful, because remember, now you are the chemist. You are the chemist. Of course, one thing I'll tell you, when you upload the prescription, no, they also compare what has been prescribed and what you ordered. And if there is discrepancy, they will come back to you. But I'll say, you know, they say it is better to be safe than sorry. So please order carefully. Don't take that risk that they will come back. हमने गलत किया 100 के बदले 200 किया है कि 200 के बदले 100 किया. Don't make that mistake. Please remember that you will get good discounts, but it all comes with a slight risk. But that is a risk which we can take. Because see, if we are not careful, as I tell you, you will get hit by a car also when you walk on the road. Yeah? We have to be careful everywhere. So this is what we are going to order, this prescription. Okay, right. So as you see, so we are going to download the app. This is in Android. You can do the same thing in iPhone. In iOS, you can go to the App Store. So you can see the Play Store here. You can see my this. आपको दिख रहा है ना?
Yes.
Try to get a laser pointer. Let me get a laser pointer. It may be better. Yeah.
No, we can see that red markers there.
Yeah. This will make it further thing. Okay. So you click Play Store. So then automatically you will go to the Play Store. I type out NetMed. I'm going little fast here because these are all preliminary things. Okay. So, but if you have any problem of hanging on, just tell me. Just shout. Give me a shout. Oh, ye kya tha, wo kya tha? Just give me a shout. Okay. So I type NetMed because I want NetMed. So automatically these things pop up. You know, NetMed. So I just click the first one, and then I can come to install it now. Right. These are all familiar screens for all of you. No. Yeah.
Yes.
Familiar screen. So I put install. The moment I put install, so from the Play Store, this app will be installed onto my phone desktop. So you can see it is installing 76% over of 14.77 MB. And then now you can see it has come on my phone. NetMed has come. So I will put it now. Now if I click this, I will go to the app itself. Right. So definitely I will click this NetMed. I will click it here. Just tap it with my finger, and then I will go into. Now you see I have opened. Now remember, I am first time user. So I have not even registered myself. Now I'm going to register. First I'm going to register because I have to put my address, I have to put my name, email address, phone number, everything. Then only they will recognize me properly. No, if you don't give address, where they will deliver? You know? So this is the first page because so let's get started. So here you can see, let's get started. Order medicine online. So as I was telling you, as Umaji asked about discounts, they are giving very good discounts. Sometimes there's special offers also. I have seen even up to 30% discount. 30% discount. And it's really discount. Only thing is sometimes some of the fellows, if you buy for less than 1,000 rupees, they charge you some courier charges, 25 rupees or something. So what you can do, if you are buying for 1 month, 2 months, it will easily cross 1,000 rupees. Or you can order a little more, and then that courier charge will be waived. You will get it free delivery. Okay, na? Okay. So let's get started. I will click let's get started. And then you see it is asking for my phone number. So I will type my phone number 9897694 whatever I put. And then I press this blue arrow to go to the next screen. So at this point, there is no OTP. It is just registered my phone number. Okay. So Umayi, actually you do something on your screen, na? It blocks your entire screen. So I don't know what you do. So I have noticed always. I thought I'll just, right. So I put here.
Trying to make it big, little.
Okay. So everybody's clear, no? I'm not going too fast, right? Okay, na? Sab log? Okay. Okay. Yeah, you can put on your mic and say, because I can't see everybody's face because that's presentation. Okay. I can see only 4 or 5 people. So no problem. Okay, na? Right. So now I'm creating my account after putting that get started. So I'll put email ID, first name, last name. I'll put password and confirm password. So you can see I put some email ID, I put my first name, I put a password here, and I retype the password, and then I will verify. Once I put verify, I should normally get an OTP. But let's see what happens. I also don't remember. But invariably OTP will come. Why does OTP come? Why do people send OTP? What is the reason? One-time password. Why? Can anybody tell?
Verification.
To confirm, like,
Confirm
They
or
want to confirm,
verification.
they want to confirm that the telephone number you have put is really you are having access to the telephone. Otherwise, suppose I put my wife's telephone number, OTP will go there. Because in all these apps and all, telephone number, PIN number, password, email address, these are all very important identifiers. They identify you as you. So Mr. Shah Rukh Khan will be Shah Rukh Khan only and not Amir Khan. You have to identify. Then I put verify. So I put verify. The moment I put verify, see, I got an OTP. It may be little light. So code so and so is your one-time password, valid for 10 minutes only. Do not share your OTP with anybody. This will come. So I will put, once I put the OTP, I have not shown you the screen, and then you have now registered yourself. Now you can, it will open out to the home screen. This is the home screen of NetMeds. Similar you'll have in 1mg. I'm sure Usha Jain will tell, because you're buying from there. It may be different color. I think it is orange in color, no? 1mg ka screen ka color kya hai, Usha ji? Orange hai na?
So I don't remember saying mobile.
Okay. Anyway, I think one of them is orange. But anyway, so this is NetMed. Now you see there are various
Orange.
facilities available. Orange. Okay. Thank you. So you can consult a doctor, this, then, but apne ko sirf medicine kharidne ka idhar. Okay. So obviously when I go here and I type out the suppose the first medicine was, you may not remember that because you don't take, it's called Pioz, P-I-O-Z, P-O-I-O-Z. Okay, Pioz is a diabetic medicine. So we will buy one by one all those medicines. Okay. So when I, just like Amazon and all, when I type here, that list will come and I have to select the, sometimes there may be, if I just type PIO, there may be so many medicines starting with PIO, PIOZ, PIO, I don't know, something else, Piomine or whatever it is. So all that will come. You select, suppose you select Pios, so you will see 7 mg, 8, 10 mg, 25 mg, whatever. Then you go and select the correct strength. Okay? So let us see. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot. So there is some more additional data is there to be filled. For example, my age and all that, because sometimes senior citizens, they give more discount. So I am editing my profile over here, and by editing profile, I am only putting my gender and my age. That's all. So it is only completing and saving the changes to complete my profile, make it more complete. Remember, at this point of time, I have not yet put address. But when I go to payment, that will pop up. Once you have put address, next time you go, it will not ask you for address. It will ask you, is this the address you want or some other address? It will put like that. So if you want to put your brother or sister's address because you are there, you can put like that. Okay. But this time, at this point of time, there is no address at all in the system, my address. Okay. So I save the changes, and I just for heck of it, because first time. So niche mein you see home. I don't know whether you can read it. It's a little light in color. Can you read? Home, orders, subscription, account, and wallet. So I thought, let me type orders and see na kya hai. So it says no orders available because this is the first time. There is no previous orders. So no orders available. If I have already ordered, those orders will come up because I can reorder based on that. I can reorder instead of typing all over. Suppose I have ABCD4 medicines. I want same ABCD4 medicines. So I just put reorder. All ABCD will come. Then I can change the quantity. Earlier it was 6 leaves. Now I want 4. You can change it. No problem. Okay, but strength and all will be same. So you don't have to, little bit of less magajmari, or as they say in Bombay, less headache. Okay. It's like that. Yeah. So, okay. So now let me just come out of this and take you to the next presentation. So just a moment. Let me just give me a moment. Yeah. Right. Now I'm going into ordering. Okay. Now I'm going into ordering. So let me just share the screen. Share the screen. Okay, everybody, you can see my screen?
Yes.
Huh? You can see, no? Aya naam mein kuch jawab dijiye bhai. Yes?
Yes.
You can see, no? Okay. So, yeah, so this is what where we left off. No orders. So now I will start ordering my order. You remember those 4 or 5 medicines are there? We will order all of them. So I come back to my home screen, home page. Now I will type out first medicine was, I think, Pios, P-I-O-Z. Okay. So see, I have typed Pios. The moment I put Pios, so it is, see, 15 mg is there. Let me put that pointer back. Yeah. So you can see 15 mg is there, 7.5. Then something else is the 10s. They are all different. They are all different. So you can see the prices also there. Everything is there. If you click it, no, if you double click it, you will see all the details. What is the pharmaceutical composition and all you can see. If you are interested in seeing, you can see what it is used for. There will be some write up on that, But right now we don't do all that. So this is the one I want, 7.5 mg. So I click that. Once I click it, it will go into my cart. It will ask me, it will give me an opportunity. How many strips I want? By default, it will be 1. Then I can add. Suppose I want 6 strips, there will be a plus. So plus, I'll put, it will go to 6. And if you want to put minus, oh, I didn't want 6, I wanted only 4. Minus, it will come to 4. So like that. Okay. So you see, so I have selected PO 7.5 mg. So see, plus minus is there. I have already selected 6. 6 I put by plus, and now I will add to cart. Now each strip is costing 77.31 rupees. So obviously 6 will cost 6 times that. Right. So at this point of time, I have not completed because I got 4 more medicines. So quickly, let us see. Everybody's on board. No questions so far, right? Because then I'll quickly take you through the other medicines because the procedure is same. Right? Everybody, no issue.
No.
So I go to my, thank you. So I go to my second one. It is Olsar A. It's a blood pressure medicine. So I see 20 mg, 40 mg. Then Olsar A is there. This is Olsar A. Then there is Olsar D. There are various types. So I know that this is one. See, this is something you have to be careful. Please order correctly. Although you'll be giving prescription, I told you, I'm repeating. And I'm saying again at the cost of repetition that please order carefully. Don't do in a hurry. So this is the one. So I click it. And once I click it, then I can add how many. So I just wanted 1. So 221 rupees, I will add to cart. So it will go to my cart. So my cart is full, getting full. You see, this cart is having a red dot. Then my next thing is Xyloric. It's another medicine. So it is 100 mg, 300 mg. I want 100 mg, 21 rupees 15 paisa each. So I click that and then I put 12 strips. I'm ordering for 2 months or something like that. So 12 strips I put. Each strip is costing 21 rupees 15 paisa. Add to cart. Now already 3 medicines I put in the cart. Okay. Then my 4th medicine is Glucorate. It's also a diabetes tablet, right? So here 10s are there. Then there are other different strengths also, but this is the one I want. So I want quantity 3, 118 rupees 20 paisa. Now I finished my ordering. I have loaded everything into my shopping cart. Okay. Now, so when I click my cart, when I click that cart, so you can see all the medicines have been already loaded. And the price, including the, not per strip. Now it shows, depending on number of strips, what is the pricing. So you can see, and total is 1,279.26. I have crossed 1,000 rupees. So I'm not going to pay 25 rupees courier charges. So I have crossed this one. And now what is going to happen is that I will put proceed. Now I told you there are a lot of good offers are available. So now let me try to get some offers. As you can see at this point of time, my bill is 1,279 rupees and 26 paise. So let me put proceed. When I put proceed, right? No, I'm sorry. When you go down, little bit down, let me move backwards and show you. So it's like this. So this screen which we just saw, it is more at the down. So it is more down. It is more than one can see. So I will go below and see the next screen, which is this is. So you can see this last is there, and then apply promo code. Now I want to put some promo code because I saw in the newspaper or there was a message on my phone saying that you can get 20% discount limitless of the amount, whatever you get. If 10,000 rupees you order, 2,000 rupees you will get discount. It's very good discount, is it not? I don't know what is your experience. You can share with me. My experience shows that if you go to a normal chemist, more than 10% discount, I have not been able to get yet. If you have got, thank you very much. You tell me your chemist, I will also go there. But I have not been able to get more than 10%. Many of them don't give at all. But now because some are giving, now most of them are giving. 10% देता है, 10% देता है. But इधर आपको easily 20% मिल सकता है. Plus they will give you some cash. Cash means in the wallet, which you can use later. Which you can, there's over and above that. So let me see what are the promo codes. So if I click this, I will see the various promo codes which are available. So you see there are so many. NSN says NMS first. So this is the first time. If you order first time, you will get 18%. but I will do this flat 20%. It is more than 18%. Then I get some other flat 15%, flat 10%. So I saw this also when I ordering. And sometimes they will say if you order by 31st March only, you will get like that. So I want to use this promo code NMS Fit because it is giving me 20%. So I will click this. That will become like a button. And now you see the promo code has been loaded on that. If I want to remove it, if I made a mistake, I can remove it also and put another one if I want. Oh, I missed the one that was giving 25% or whatever it was, more suitable. So if I want to remove, otherwise there, and moment I click this, now that promo code will get adjusted into my bill. Okay, so now you see I click that, and now you see the promo code has come, MSM Fit, and see my figure has come down to 1048 from 1279.26. You remember? Now it has come to 1048 rupees 17. So about 200 plus rupees saved. 200 odd rupees saved. Yes. Remember, I am still more than 1000 rupees. So I will still get the courier free. Had this gone below, had it gone to 999, then 25 rupees, and it would gone to 1024 rupees again. Okay. So that little bit of jugglery you have to do. Sometimes you may have to add one more medicine like that, so that you cross 1000 rupees after the discount. Okay. Now I put proceed. So amount to be paid, you can see 1048.79. Okay, now I think I will stop sharing this and I will go to my payment page, right? So just give me a moment. Let me go to the next one, the payment page. Just give me a second while I change my tracks. Yeah, payment page. Okay, so everybody can see my screen? Yes? Fine, great. So this is where we left off, 1048.79 exactly. So I put always my last slide as the first slide so that you have the continuity, right? 1048.79 is the thing. And now I have to attach prescription. Now this is important. I have to attach. One thing you remember, if you are buying often with them, so I go to reorder. Now, once you uploaded the prescription, last time it is already on the record. So you don't have to upload every time. You don't have to upload every time. But this is the first time I'm doing, so I have to upload. So it says some medicines. Let me just get that laser pointer, sorry. Yeah. So it says some medicines in a cart require valid doctor's prescription. So you have to give prescription. Without prescription, they will not give you the medicine. They will cancel your order. Or sometimes what they do, they ask them, do you want to consult our doctor? In which case their doctor themselves do it. But I have not done that. And I'm not sure how good that is. So, so if you do it, you do it. But I don't do it at least. Okay. So now these are my medicines. So I've got my prescription. I showed you right in the beginning. So I go to upload prescription. When I put upload prescription, my camera will open. I have to take a photograph of that. So I have to give access to this site to my images. I have to give access so that it can go into my camera. I can take the photograph and it will upload into its app. So I put upload prescription. I enter. Right. So it says, do you want to put camera or gallery? Gallery means existing photograph already there. Okay. Or you want to use some past prescription. So I'll use camera. Let me use camera. Right. So allow Netmesh to take pictures because you have to give them permissions because you are going to upload photograph. Then allow them to access photos because if you are using from gallery, then it has to allow access to your photos. So now you can see I have taken a photograph of that with my camera. I clicked the camera. Now I have clicked a photograph of that same prescription. Now there is a cross and a tick sign. Tick means okay, upload. Cross means I want to abort it. So I click OK. I click this OK. So automatically my prescription has been uploaded. You see, here it is uploaded. Now it is uploaded. Now I have ordered. I have uploaded prescription. Now I just want to review my order one last time before I make my payment. I just want to check again, Baba sab theek hai ki nahi hai, strengths, number,
That
medicine.
plus sign is for one more prescription, no?
So you can put as many. You can put as many. Plus is for more. Yes. If you want to, suppose your medicines are spread over two. So you are ordering something for you and for your husband both. So your prescription is one, your husband prescription another one. But order is only one. So ABC is yours, DEF is his. But there are two prescriptions. One covers ABC, one covers DEF. So you have to upload two prescriptions. Yeah. So plus, you can, moment you put this, another plus will come if you want more. Right. So order preview. So I will just preview my order. Oh, before that, it's asking for my address. So I have to put my address. Okay. So this is, I'll just fill up this. So this is my address. I'm adding address, save the address. And now I review my order. Now you see all those medicines are there. My address is also correct. It is delivered to my address only, that you have to see that. Otherwise what happens, you're sitting in Chennai, aapka medicine pahunch gaya Bombay. Aisa nahi hona mangta hai. Sometimes it can happen if you have gone on some visit or something. So proceed. Now when I go to proceed, I will go into my payments page. So as is normal, I can make payment through wallet like Amazon Pay, Paytm, MobiCharge, or I can pay through debit card. I can pay through internet banking. So many. In this case, we will pay through debit card. I use debit card, not for any other reason, because I will get some points and some things. So take a, why not use the debit card? So I use the debit card. We will show debit card. I can't show you all the different methods, but if you use, I think they're self-explanatory. Many of you are, I know, are now professionals in this area because you have attended so many of my sessions and Mr. Raju session. I know that now you can be on this side. Like CAPTCHA, you can be the teacher rather than the participant. And I know that. So anyway, that's a very good sign. So I will use debit and credit card. So I will add one card. You can choose to save it so that next time it will see the card. Or if you are not happy with saving it, you can choose not to save it. And every time you have to enter the card details. So I will add one new card, right? But even if I don't save it, first I have to add it. And then if you want, you can delete it. Okay. So I will add a card. So card number, valid up to CVV, name on the card, all that. And then I have to click pay 1048.79. So you see, I will put the card number, so and so, 11/23, CVV is there, my name is there, right? I have now put all the card details. The moment I put pay, what will happen? What will happen?
You might get an OTP or something like that.
Anjula,
Or you
is
may ask for transaction.
not transaction, that will be net banking. We are doing debit card. अंजुला जी आप क्या बोल रहे हैं, बोलिए.
हेलो.
हाँ बोलिए.
मैं लाइफ केयर से मंगाती हूँ मेडिसिन.
हाँ.
वो भी 20% लेस देते हैं.
हाँ.
तो वो जो है आपकी में भी 20% है या 30% है?
मैं आपका क्वेश्चन को आखिर में हैंडल करता हूँ. हाँ, आपका आखिर में हैंडल करता हूँ. मैं एक्चुअली ये पूछ रहा था क्या होने वाला है. हाँ, मैं आई विल कम टू.
दूसरे इसमें कैश ऑन डिलीवरी अवेलेबल है?
कैश ऑन डिलीवरी हो सकता है, हो सकता है. क्या हो सकता है? सीओडी हो सकता है. आप सीओडी भी कर सकते हो. हाँ, कर सकते हो.
अच्छा, तो
ठीक है. गुड, वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन.
परसेंटेज बता दीजिए कि कितनी परसेंटेज नेट कितनी दे रहा है?
मैंने सीओडी नहीं किया है कभी, तो मैं नहीं कह सकता हूँ, पर सीओडी होता है, उसमें क्या डिस्काउंट होता है आपको देखना पड़ेगा करके.
अच्छा.
ऑफ हैंड में नहीं बोल सकता हूँ. ऑफ हैंड में नहीं बोल सकता. कोई साइट्स है जो सीओडी में नहीं देते. सीओडी में नहीं देते. मेरे ख्याल से शायद आपको मिलेगा, पर आप चेक कीजिएगा. मैं बता नहीं सकता क्योंकि मैं कभी सीओडी किया नहीं हूँ. ठीक है. सो आई विल पुट, सो एज उमा जी वाज राइट, आई विल गेट ओटीपी. I will not get transaction password because transaction password is only in net banking, not in net banking. You can have transaction password plus OTP, but in debit card there will be always only OTP will be there. Okay, so debit or credit card. So I put this. The moment I put, now I'm going to get a one-time password. Remember, I always tell you, when you are putting OTP, two things you must see. Number one, to whom you are paying. It should be, if you are paying to Amazon, the name Amazon should come. You should not be some altu faltu, some anything, something by flight by day or something like that. Should not be. It should be Amazon only, or whoever you are making the payment. And the amount should be correct. You must check the amount. It should be correct. Don't just blindly put 1 2 3 4 5 6 आया तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 करके हिप्पी पूरे हमने कर दिया करके और देखा आपने 1000 के बदले में 10,000 चला गया. So don't do that. Be careful. So I will now put, in my phone, now see I got an OTP 473321. I got OTP on my phone. Now I put this 473321 and I make payment. The moment I put make payment, my payment will whoosh, it will just go, right? So processing your payment. Now it is a bullet coming out of gun. It cannot go back inside. Or like you say, toothpaste coming out of the tube. You cannot put toothpaste back in the tube, no? When we were in college, you know, हम लोग को ragging में बोलता था toothpaste को वापस tube में डाल. Anyway, so you cannot put. So now processing payment and kadak, the payment has gone and see order placed successfully. Thank you, your order is being processed. They will not immediately confirm order. Why? Because they will check your prescription. They will see it is okay. Then you will get another message. Your order has been processed and now shipping will take place. So remember, unlike Amazon and all, which you buy, or Zomato, immediately your order will be booked. Here order will be subject to verification of prescription. So see, thank you, your order is being processed. So order ID so and so, our pharmacist is confirming a prescription. You see, our pharmacist is confirming a prescription. So it's good, that they are seeing, so that if you have made a mistake also, you can see. So this is up to ordering. Now I will track the delivery. Okay. Any questions up to now other than Anjulaji's question, which I will come later? Any
But
other
normally,
question?
normally how many days they take for delivering the medicine?
My experience is 4 to 5 days. My
4 to
experience is 4 to 5 days. 4 to 5 days, including lockdown period, 4 to 5 days. One thing you
So
remember
no,
now, like,
in a Gurgaon is the only one day.
it can
It
happen.
depends.
It can happen.
It depends on the place.
Yeah,
It depends
it
on the
depends.
place.
Yeah. But normally
On
it
the
will not be more. It will not be more than 4 to 5 days. Not more than 4 to 5 days. And many times you find, like I ordered 4 medicines, you will get 2-3 parcels. One from this, one from that. It will come like that. So don't worry about that. That they will take care. Okay. Yeah, Anjula ji, अभी आपका जो question था regarding the discount ना, आप बोलेंगे? हाँ, बोलिए.
मैं फार्मेसी से भी मंगाती हूँ मेडिसिन और लाइफ केयर से भी मंगाती हूँ. ये सब लोग मेरे को 20% डिस्काउंट देते हैं कैश ऑन डिलीवरी पर. तो नेटमेट्स कैश ऑन डिलीवरी पर सीनियर सिटीजन को कितने परसेंट डिस्काउंट देगा?
I come back to the same answer. I do not know because मैंने COD कभी करवाया नहीं, करवाया नहीं. पर आपने जो बोले वो फार्मेसी वगैरह करते हैं. हाँ, इसमें
कोई लिंक होगा जहाँ ये ऐप पे ही मालूम होगा या लिंक कोई भेजेंगे आप?
नहीं, आप ऐसा करो. अब अगर आपके पास ऐप नहीं है तो आप इंटरनेट में जाके गूगल में नेटमेट्स करो, आपको लैपटॉप में भी आ जाएगा. ठीक है.
ओके. थैंक यू.
आ जाएगा. ठीक है. सो कैन वी प्रोसीड और एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस? आगे बढ़े. Okay, very good. So now we are going to track the delivery. So let me share. Okay, one more thing. The most important thing, your money has gone from your account also. 1048 rupees, you can see. Money has gone. It is not a Fukatka purchase. And now your balance is also reduced by that amount. With this, now we complete our ordering and prescription uploading.
And what about return policy? If there is something, suppose the expiry date is...
You can return. Just like Amazon. You can return. No issue. No issue at all. So now let me go to the last portion, that is tracking and delivery. Just a moment. Let me just give me a minute while I upload that prescription. Sorry, that particular presentation. Okay. We're good to go? Yes?
Yes.
I can see you right in front. Okay. Okay. So we are continuing. So this is the last slide you saw. Account is debited and 1048 has been reduced from my balance. There is the bank advice on my mobile, right? And now, so I'm tracking my orders. You remember these orders were there? Let me put this.
Yeah.
If you remember, earlier we had put orders and that time there were no orders here. But now you see, when I put this order, my orders are coming. This order has come, Glucorate, this plus 2 more products, right? So I can now track my order. If I put track my order, it will show me what is the status of my order. Kya ho raha hai order mein, right? So now here itself it says prescription is under review. So that means it is not yet effective at this point of time, not yet effective. Prescription under review. So now you track the order and you can see order status. So order placed 27 January at 6:29, order verification, prescription verification pending. See, it is the same time. See, it is almost simultaneous. So I have seen immediately. So prescription verification pending. Now after some time when you see it, prescription verified. It is verified at 6:41. You remember at 6:29 we saw it was pending. At 6:41 it has been verified. So 12 minutes they have taken to verify my prescription, and now order is in process because now prescription is verified. Now identifying the seller, shipping, all that will take place. So order is in process. 27 Jan 6:41 PM. Again it is showing order in process 28 Jan 2 AM in the morning. So still it is being processed, not yet shipped. Then you see 28 Jan 5:02 PM order is shipped. Now order has been sent. If you click this link, track ID, then you can see the airway bill number, where it has reached, whether it is, suppose it is coming from Haryana, It has gone to Panipat, reached Panipat. From Panipat, reaches Delhi. From Delhi, it will go wherever to Ahmedabad or whatever. You can see the actual movement of your parcel by clicking this track ID. This link, if you click, it will take you to where it is there. Okay. So now order has been shipped. You can see 28 Jan 5:02 PM. Now it has been shipped 2:28, now 2:20 PM. No, it's 3:28 PM, but 2 days afterwards. Now it says delivery status ordered. Hi, your Netmate order number so and so is out for delivery. So that means now it has reached your destination. That fellow is out. So they are giving you a message saying that please be at home or leave somebody at home who can collect your stuff. It is out for delivery. And then finally, voila, your medicines have reached. So you can see, enjoy having your medicines. It has come. I don't know whether 1 packet, 2 packets, whatever is there. So they write urgent medicine and all that. You can always return it if you have problem. Open and please see the expiry dates. First, see that the medicines are okay as per prescription. That you have to see properly. Remember, you are now your own pharmacist. You are your own pharmacist to a large extent. To a large extent. Okay. Not completely, but to a large extent. Please see the expiry dates, that they are not expired and all that. Normally, aisa hota nahi, but you never know. The time you didn't see, that time you may land into trouble. So don't do that. After all, these are medicines. So, so we have to be a little careful, right? So, right. Yes. So before we conclude, so we have installed the app. Once you have registered, you can choose the medicines, whichever medicines you want. You can pay for them using digital banking. You can use wallet. You can use internet banking. You can use cards. You can do COD. You can do COD. And I don't know any other way are there. I don't know. Well, I guess these are the main. Maybe something else is. I don't know. Anyway, then the ordered medicines can. Right. So once you're registered, you can choose the medicines, pay for them using digital banking and upload the related prescriptions. Remember, once you have uploaded the prescription, next time you don't have to upload. Then the ordered medicines can be tracked up to the time they deliver to your home. The whole process is convenient, easy, and leads to savings as well. You have a lot of control over buying your own medicines, right? So at this point of time, I'm more or less finished. If anybody has any questions, it will be wonderful to listen to all of them. Before that, let me just do a few things. So a little bit more on Get Set Up. So it's a platform for older adults by older adults. Our mission is to create economic opportunity for older adults and help others to learn tools and skills needed to stay connected. If you know your friends who are interested in such classes or such learning, so many new things, you know. Sometimes even I sign on just to see abhi kya ho raha hai karke. I get the links and I said it's quite nice, you know. So do spread the word to your friends, relatives, and whoever you feel can benefit out of that. I'm not talking about my session, anybody's session. There are so many, whole spectrum is there. Right from VIBGYO or VIBGYO, or whole spectrum is there, right? You can always see. Yes, Rashmi ji. So you want something? Nahi, mute kijiye, unmute kijiye, mic ko unmute kijiye. Make your unmute yourself. Yeah, please tell me.
How to take out a screenshot?
How to take out?
Screenshot.
Three chart. What is that? I don't know.
Screenshot.
Oh, for what? This session? No, you are muted yourself. Please don't mute yourself. Unmute kijiye. You can ask for a recording. You can, as Isha told you can ask for a recording by writing at help
getsetup.io.
Help at getsetup.io. Aap mail bhejo and ask for a link. You don't require screenshot.
Yes.
Okay?
Sometimes if you don't have prescription, you are asked, online doctor comes to you.
Yes, you can ask. That's what I told you. If your prescription doesn't tally, they can get you a doctor to do it. They can give you that. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other questions, Rashmi ji?
No. Okay.
Okay, because your hand is up. Aapka haath upar hai isliye. Okay, no problem. So, okay. So just to tell you some of the related subjects which I take. So I take mostly session on banking, pure banking, like right from how to solve banking disputes. I'll be taking one session on safe deposit lockers also, which I have not taken yet. I will take on safe deposit lockers.
And
how normal-
mobile banking session 2 is also remaining. no?
that is on the cards. Abhi ho rahi hai. Yeah. That is very much there. It's ready. I have to just schedule it. Then I take session
When will
on.
be banking session?
Huh?
When will be banking session?
Today 3:30 is there. Internet banking 3:30. Basic. That is
Okay.
introduction. In
Okay.
internet banking, I take 2 sessions. One is introductory and one is advanced. Mobile banking, I
Fine,
take
yeah.
one which is introductory and one is advanced. Yeah.
Then
Clear?
how to solve complaint? If some
Complaints?
complaint is
Yes.
there, how to
Complaint-
solve it? That
Complaints
also you
against
will
bank?
show?
Yeah. I
Okay.
cannot solve the complaint, but I can tell you how to take it up. I can tell you how to take it.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, yes, definitely.
There is a
No.
session on that.
Without-
There is a
without- without finding
Yeah, I
relation.
take a session on how to resolve banking disputes. How to resolve banking disputes.
Yes,
So these are some of the things I
Yes.
take. Online banking, may I take buying from Amazon, making your electricity bill payments, gas payment, etc., etc. My immediate next class is at 3:30. After a few minutes, after about 45 minutes, my session
half
is
an
there
hour,
on.
45 minutes.
Yeah, so that is on online banking, internet banking.
ऑनलाइन सर एफडी करना सर ऑनलाइन एफडी करना
ऑनलाइन एफडी भी हम करेंगे.
ऑनलाइन
करेंगे.
एफडी करना
Yes, online FD भी ready है. थोड़ा schedule करने बाकी है. And my next classes for the next week are, I'll take one digital banking beyond basics. That is the part 2 of digital banking, internet banking, जहाँ हम लोग money transfer करते हैं. How to make payments to somebody else, how to make payment to your own account, etc. And also how to order from Amazon. हिंदी में हम लेंगे, ये भी है. ठीक है? Yes. So just a moment. Let me. Let me share the feedback link with you all.
या सर
तो मैं एक सेकंड ना, मैं जरा चैट विंडो में फीडबैक लिंक शेयर करता हूं आप लोग के लिए. ऐसे जैसे ईशा ने कहा, यू विल गेट अ मेल एट द एंड इफ यू आर रजिस्टर्ड. अगर आपने इन बिटवीन ज्वाइन किया तो शायद आपको मेल नहीं मिलेगा, बट इफ यू हैव registered yourself and come, then you will get a mail also, and in that the feedback link will be there. But sometimes in case you don't get, I'm copying and pasting it there, so you can use this. And if you can if you're not a member of our WhatsApp group, you can join the WhatsApp group, because every session will be announced there, and you can just click the link which comes on that WhatsApp message to join the class straight away. I will give you that WhatsApp group ka bhi link. You can, if you are using your mobile phone right now, you can click it and become a member, or you can join that WhatsApp group. So this is the WhatsApp group ka link. Okay, right? Yes. Any other questions? Any other questions with regard to this? Most welcome. Isha, would you like to tell something about Get Set Up? I thought I'll finish a little early so that in case some other
No, it's
session.
fine. It's fine,
Yeah,
sir.
everything is fine. Okay, right. Right. So great. So if there is no other questions, if you want, we can hang up, right? Or anything to do with banking. We got 5 minutes. So if you got anything to do with anything with banking, you can shoot.
No. See, sir, when you join with the WhatsApp group, no, they say it is not, you have not joined, so you don't get notes. That is what they are saying.
Isha, can you help the lady? Isha, can you help the
Sorry,
lady?
I can't hear you.
फिर से बोलिए, please. फिर से बोलिए. Josna ji.
You join, I click on the WhatsApp group and join the session. They say you have not joined, registered before, so you will not get notes.
Yeah, you have to register from our website, that is getsetup.in.
The website. Okay.
If you join in between, you will not get the notes. You will not be able to get the link also. Yes, that is correct.
Exactly.
You have to pre-register. Pre-register is very simple ना. अगर 2 बजे भी 2 बजने को 5 मिनट में आप रजिस्टर कीजिए ना. क्या?
Hello.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yes,
Yeah,
please.
hi. Yeah, I just wanted to say that, sometimes when we try to register, it says it's sold out. So then I can't register. What do I do in that case?
Yes, because we have limited seats for certain classes. So
I
if you-
understand, but when I'm not able to register, I can join in between, but then I don't get the notes. So that is a bit.
Because if you want the notes, you have to register prior only.
No, I totally understand that. But when it
Yeah.
gets sold out, how do you register?
So I can give you the solution for that. You
We
have to
have-
register a little earlier so that before it gets sold.
Sometimes- No, I understand.
That
but
is the only,
sometimes
our repetitive session is also there.
you
No?
get
You know,
Exactly.
in
We have
the
recorded sessions on Saturday and Sunday too. So if you want to register for that, you can do that as well.
okay, we'll do that. We'll do that.
Shivaji,
And the notes are being provided to the registered accounts only because we need the email IDs to send the notes to them. So if you are not registered, we won't be able to
No, I
forward.
am registered with your WhatsApp. My email ID and all is there very much. But when I'm joining, it comes up, my name comes up. When I say that I want to get into the session, it says zooming in and Seema Das, and I say, okay. So therefore, if you have my details, then definitely my email address is also there with you, you know. But I am
Yeah.
able to get into the session while the session is on, even if I have not registered for the session.
If you are
So
not
that's my
registered for the
concern. Maybe
session,
you
you
like
still
to
can.
work on this, that people who even join in between, who are already registered with Get Set Up, then I think it would only be fair to send them the notes also. That's my request.
Shivaji, on a lighter way, in the pre-COVID days, you know, when we used to go to movie halls to see movies, शाहरुख खान का नया पिक्चर होएगा तो आप करंट में जाएगा तो आपको टिकट नहीं मिलने वाला है, तो हम लोग पहले जाके वो बुक करते थे. तो
I know, but फिर भी
you have
उसका
to do
उपाय
like
है,
that.
black में मिलता था.
Yeah, do like that, no? तो क्या है?
I don't
See,
know how
you
to
are
do
getting.
the black away.
They are giving 1 month program, enough time.
Yeah, you see,
That
you know
much.
what? See, the schedule is declared more than 1 week in advance, so you can always do it. It's quite convenient actually. It's just a question of
I
getting.
agree.
used
I
to that-
agree. But
that
sometimes it happens, you know, that
I
you're
know,
not able to do it,
I know.
and you just suddenly see a program because
I
you're
know.
not sure whether you'll have the time to attend it or not sometimes.
Correct.
Mm.
I too agree with that. Suddenly, sometimes you're free at that time,
Yeah,
or you have your
True.
yeah. So you want to join at that particular day. When you're working, you are not able to join pre-register,
is
but that day you're free.
part of, no, yeah, this is part of the policy. So, but anyway, you can always give your feedback to that extent. Isha is there; she will convey
Yeah,
to the.
exactly. I mean, that's the why I brought it up. So
Yeah,
that
very good.
Isha
No,
can
definitely.
probably take an action where, you know, people who are regularly joining into courses
Yeah.
and their details are there, maybe you can at least send them the notes.
Yeah,
know?
and
And make a request to
Isha
the
will
team.
bring it up to the
Yeah.
because we have.
Saturday, Sundays repeat programs are not given.
Sorry.
Sir, Saturday, Sundays repeat programs are not given. Where are
We
they?
have it in.
How to find
in the chat.
program? No,
I'm
Saturday,
pasting.
Sunday. How
I'm
to?
pasting the link in the chat box. See
Okay.
the link www.getsetup.in. That's the schedule for Get Setup. You'll find the recorded sessions on Saturday and Sunday.
So they are declared right now also, no, Isha? For day after tomorrow, it's available, right?
Yes, we
So
have
Saturday we can all
sessions for
recorded.
Yeah, okay.
So thank you very much. And a lot of other, and do tell your friends and relatives to join. I'm sure some of the sessions will be, many of the sessions will be very, very helpful, informative, and good way to, progress, right? So thank you very much. So we'll hang up here, right?
Thank
and
you.
have a good afternoon. And if you want to join 3:30, I'll be back.
Thank you
Bye-bye.
so much. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. તારે અહીંયા બેસવું છે?